Sometimes it is hard to explain what is happening in your computer in words, but this software can record screen actions and steps on your Windows 11. Stay with me, my name is Gaurav and you're watching Honest Mark. It is very easy to start step recording software. Click on Window, Start menu and find Step Recorder. Click on it. This is the software, have 3 buttons: start, stop, add comment. Now press start button. Now this screen recorder is recording all your screen. It is recording whole screen. Each and every movement by mouse is recording. Every material is recorded as a screenshot. You can pause or resume the recording or add comment during the process. Click stop recording when you have done everything. As you can see, a file has come in front of us in which all the information has been given, like when we opened folder, where we went inside quietly, all these things captured. Every moment has been recorded on the screen and text information have also been given along with it. This will make you very easy having pictures like screenshot plus text information about what you have done in computer. You can send entire file to technical to solve computer problem. Now I want to save file, so click on it. Now you can see the file is always saved in zip file. You can find the destination where you want to save and you just mention the name of the file and then save it. After saving this file, your file will be saved in zip format. When you open it, you will see the file saved in .hmt file format. If you try to see the property, you will see the size of this file around 3 MB. Friends, that's all in this video. How did you like this information? If you like, you must share with your friends.